Hi there, Caria Watt here. I'd like to invite you to join my brand new Patreon community called Online Business Made Easy. Now, Patreon is a platform where you can get exclusive content to tutorial videos from creators just like me that I don't share anywhere else. But first, I want to give you an idea of what you can expect when you sign up, all for the cost of a cup of coffee. Now, you'll get access to content where I talk you through how to have a successful online business. I'll cover one of the key steps each month to help your business get online and be super successful. Track and measure how people are using the internet and what they're actually saying about you, your organization, and your products across. But it all starts with inspiring others to do better or to do their best or be better. They're a bit more personal, and I don't discuss things that I don't usually share on any of my other platforms. I'll also share lessons learned working alongside some of the most successful businesses in Australia and the UK to give you insider tips on digital marketing that works. A tip here is always look at the insights on each platform, such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, and how I've made my own success as a digital strategist and web designer. I said, why? You can outsource. And she said, well, I want to know how to make sure my SEO company are doing what they say they're doing. And I thought, God, that's pretty smart. Like, if you're a marketer, a business owner, or perhaps you're a creative entrepreneur, I talk about how you can launch a website and how to make sure that it's aligned for strong SEO. And to thank you for your support, I'll provide live Q&As and also some valuable rewards-based videos such as instructional videos and private thoughts. Your customers are spending a whole lot of their time reading, watching, listening, researching, socializing, and buying online. I really like using Trello for many obvious reasons, but it's a great project management tool. So I'm just about to show you how to use it. So you get access to all that content plus more every single month. To join, please go to patreon.com/CariaWatt, and there is a link in the description below. Thanks so much for your support, and I look forward to connecting with you inside Online Business Made Easy.